Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. I am Queen Sanity, and today we're going to be making this avocado and honey hair mask. Okay, so what you're going to need is any kind of bowl will do. I just like glass bowls. You're going to need a spoon. You're going to need some avocados. I got 2 here, but I do wish I would have gotten 3. At least 3. And then I'm going to use the honey powder, but you can use the liquid. I just didn't want it to be as messy, so I just went on Amazon and got that honey powder. You're also going to need a fork to stir the avocado up, and also some coconut oil. Alright, so we're going to get started, and you're just going to take out all the avocado and put it into a bowl, and then you're just going to mix it up, stir it up until it's kind of creamy like that. And then I put 2 tablespoons of honey powder to 1 avocado. Okay, so that means that I used 2 avocados and 4 tablespoons of honey, and I think that was such a great combination of mix. So, and then I also added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and that's just to make it really creamy. The coconut oil is very creamy, so it helps out when trying to put it on your hair. And then I just went ahead and put it all into a blender. This is completely optional. I just wanted it to be really creamy like this. That way it's a little bit easier to go on, and you don't have a lot of like avocado residence. And then you need a clip, and you're gonna go ahead and start off sectioning off your hair. And right here, I do 4 sections total. When I'm sectioning up, I always do 4 sections, just easy to manage the hair that way. But you're going to take one of the sections and you're going to go ahead and part it into 2. And then you're going to start, try to use this brush, but all in the end I end up using my hands because it was just, I was trying to be fancy, but it didn't work out. I couldn't get it right. But I immediately noticed that the 2 avocados just was not enough, like at all. Like I should have gotten at least 3. The next time I do this, I most likely would get 4, just to make sure I have enough. That's when I caught it and started noticing right here, like, yeah, I have to just stretch this out. But it turned out really nice. So but I would like to fully cover my hair. It just wasn't covered enough. All right, so like I said, I started using my hands. Okay, so when you're putting the avocado mask on, you want to make sure that you're hitting like all the strands that you can possibly hit. So I just went ahead and like put it on my hair and then start smoothing the avocado down all my strands from literally the root to the tip. And then this is how it looks here. And as you can see, it's not a lot on there, but it's enough to cover the hair in order for it to get all the moisture that you basically want to have. And then here's the ends of my hair, just to kind of show you guys what it's looking like. Alright, you're going to go ahead and do the same thing each section. Like I said, I was kind of being light-handed when it came to it because I really didn't want to run out. And you gotta get the edges, y'all. I have lost my edges before due to braids, like maybe almost 2 years back, maybe a year or so. And ever since then, and I'm gonna do a whole video on, like, literally I took a picture of my braid that came out in the front. I kept them in way too long. It was a thin area. It was awful. But just make sure you're keeping up with those edges. See, I'm not playing about my edges, y'all. It would never leave my sight again. All right, I'm just gonna split my hair, and I'm just going in with more of the avocado mask. I like the way how creamy it was, so I would highly recommend putting it in a blender. It made it way more. I did this before, like years ago, and it was so much chunks and stuff in my hair. So this way it's kind of just more, manageable, lighter, not so many chunks. So it won't be hard to like rinse out your hair doing it with the blender way. All right, and then you're gonna go ahead and tie your hair up. Just put it in a little section, and you're gonna go to the next section. And here's my back. And I did want to show you guys how dry my hair was, and then look at the avocado and the honey mask on my hair. So much better. It was so dry. Alright, and again, each section, and you see I immediately start putting it on my ends. You want to make sure you get your ends really well. That is the oldest and the most damaged part of your hair. So if you can maintain your ends your overall health of your hair could be better. So that's why I constantly keep clipping my hair, especially that color off. If I even feel that color is just like hard, too stringy, I clip it off. So, and then here's the back of the hair. I'm gonna put a little bit more on there. I just kept trying to get as much hair as I can. And also make sure you subscribe and click that bell button so that you can get more notifications when I do more stuff like this. I will be doing a lot of stuff when it comes to my hair. Alright, you're going to go ahead and take care of that section. Just put it up like the last section. And here's the last part of my hair. This is when I started kind of running out of the avocado. So again, get at least 3 avocado, guys. Do not do like me, only get 2. Now, if your hair is longer than mine, then probably grab 4. I know my next time around, I definitely would grab 4. So this is, I'm literally scraping the bottom of the of the little bowl, trying to get as much as I can. See, it was like all gone, but it's okay. It definitely did the job. So even if you have 2 avocados right now, you want to get started today, you could do it with 2 avocados. Just know that you need to ration out each section. Okay, go ahead and twist your hair all the way up. And you're going to have it in about 4 sections like that. Yay, done. And then you're going to grab your plastic cap and my handy dandy microwavable conditioning cap. You're going to do that for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes has passed by and voila. Here is my hair. It was so soft. I just loved how bouncy and like my curl pattern was trying to pop out without having any kind of moisture on it. And I'm showing you my scalp here. See how clean and nice it is? All right, so we're gonna see how I really do like that it made my hair really light, but I definitely could use some moisture. And thank God I'm going to go ahead and shampoo because I really do like this shampoo. I got it from Walmart. It's the Ren Pure, and it's $5 for that big old bottle for 32 ounces. So I thought that was really nice. It's like the shampoo was made for my hair. I promise. It's so slippery. It's just the slip on it is amazing. So I mean, for $5 you can't beat that, right? I got the shampoo and the conditioner. $10 for, look at that. Oh, amazing. So right here too, I'm gonna start actually finger detangling. That way you can, when you're gonna condition your hair, you don't have to be so aggressive trying to get the kinks out. So if you go ahead right on this part and finger detangle your hair, it's going to be so much easier to brush through with the detangling brush when you condition it. Alright, so here's what my hair is looking like now that I have the shampoo on it. You can see my curls coming in, popping. Alright, so I went ahead and rinsed out the shampoo. So here's my hair. It brought a little bit more life back into you. See, I'm smiling because my hair felt amazing. And you see, I don't have any residue in there either. So definitely try to blend it if you have a blender. It made it so much better to get that avocado out. So we're going to be putting in the conditioner now. I will link out everything pretty much down below. That way you guys can see exactly what I use. And then you're going to just section the 4 sections, and one section you're going to section off into 2, and you're going to go through and you're going to detangle your hair. And it was really easy going through this with that detangling brush because I finger detangled during the shampoo stage. Alright, and there's my hair with the conditioner on, and you're going to just twist that up and put it back up into a little bun. And then here's my hair in the back completely conditioned. And again, going ahead through and detangling your hair. It's very important to detangle, especially if you're going to do the stretch method with no heat. So if you do not detangle, it's going to just be rough. And I just wanted to kind of just have my hair out while I put the cap back on. So my hair is obviously really fluffy right now, but I didn't want it to be like bounded up. You can definitely put it back up into the little buns. But so 15 minutes here. Get the edges. I'm going to be really generous with this. This is the Suave Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Spray. I got it from Family Dollar. You can pick that up for like $5. And then here I am brushing through again, and then I'm going to do the stretch method where I just do some plaques all the way down. I really like this as an alternative to blow drying your hair, even though I still do blow dry my hair every so often. But this is so much more healthier and just better for your hair than blow drying it. That blow dryer can really mess up your curl pattern as well. So just be careful and try to do something like this more often if you can, if you have time. If not, I completely understand. Sometimes you just gotta go. But here is that here, the last section, just brushing it through. You know, it was so smooth, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it was so smooth. Absolutely loved it. So here's the way I stretch my hair. That is after the avocado and honey hair mask. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit that bell button, and I will be back with a twist out. Bye.